Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion and Glamour. So friends, how are you all? I hope that you guys will be great and fine. So I am back again with a very beautiful and very stunning collection of nude nail paints ideas. In this video guys, you can see many more beautiful ideas of nude nail paints. Beautiful nail paint ideas. Best neutral nail polish ideas. So guys, in this video you can enjoy many more beautiful swing velvet and nude nail paints ideas. These are so classy and so beautiful colors. So enjoy these new nude nail paints on your nails and get many more good appearance for your hands. Beautiful colors, beautiful nail paints you can enjoy. Ombre nail ideas are also available in this video. So enjoy these beautiful nude nail colors, pastel colors on your hands, and shape your nails with acrylic nails or round nails as you wish. So friends, many more beautiful nude nail color ideas in this video, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. And if you do not visit my channel visit my channel for the latest and trendy fashion updates. So meet you in the next video. Till the next video, take care of you.